nung umalis ako ng pagka-presidente, kinumpleto ko yung when I said before, I will leave the presidency and I will leave a strong military for the Philippines. Binili ko na lahat. Ang ating armaments is only good to defend the country. It is not an armed forces that is geared to take to other nations, to be the aggressor. Hindi natin kaya yan. Yung atin lang was for the insurgency. Yun lang ang niko. Ngayon, left and right, noon binibili natin sa Amerika yan, huwag kayong maniwala na yung sinasabi nila the additional